In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add cards using keyboard shortcuts on Trello. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially if you're looking to save time and streamline your productivity when managing projects. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Trello board. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Trello website, where you can log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, locate the specific board you're working on. This is important because each board can have unique lists and cards that you're associated with. Now, once you've arrived at your Trello board, you'll see all your lists arranged neatly. You're currently in the zone where all the magic happens. Your next move is to place the cursor over any existing card within the board. This step might seem small, but it's crucial because your cursor acts as the pointer that indicates where you will be triggering the shortcut. Now, here's where the shortcut magic begins. You'll want to press the N key on your keyboard. This action will prompt a new card to be created right below the card your cursor is on. It's important to use this time-saving shortcut as it bypasses the need to manually click and scroll, making your project management quicker and more efficient. When pressing N, a new card form will appear. Here, you can type the details or the title of your card. Once you've entered the necessary information, hit the Enter key to save this card. Simple, right? While this may seem like a minor change, utilizing keyboard shortcuts like this can really make a difference in how quickly and efficiently you can organize your tasks. In addition to saving time, reducing manual clicks means less interruption in your workflow. You'll notice that staying engaged with an ongoing task becomes much easier, allowing better focus on creativity and productivity. Let's add a little tip to solidify this practice. Although these shortcuts are incredibly useful, it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with different tricks Trello offers. Exploring Trello's help sections or seeking out community forums can give you additional hints to optimize your usage. In summary, you start by navigating to your Trello board, ensuring your cursor is on an existing card, and simply pressing the N key to create a new card directly. Incorporating this easy shortcut into your daily Trello interactions can save you a notable amount of time over days and months, especially as you manage more and more tasks or projects. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. As you continue using Trello, these small tweaks can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.